Welcome. So now we'll go to proactive thinking. This program will learn about focus on what you can control. As I mentioned, that it is all about that focusing on what you can control and outsource the other work, what you cannot, and what you're best at. So it is easy to feel stuck in the rut when we focus on what we can control. So we know that indeed the more we focus on things outside of our control, so we'll get anxiety, anger, disappointment. So it is better what we can control, we focus on that. Conversely, like when we focus on what we can control, we can feel good, we will feel confident, we'll feel empowered, sense of achievement. So it is better that there will be obstacles we cannot foresee, challenges, but we have to face them. And when we focus on what we can control, we know that we can control it. But it's being proactive in every difficulty that comes up in life. We cannot control, but we do have a control how we tackle that difficulty. Okay, how we choose to which mindset we can bring into the problem and how we can solve that problem. Just like the COVID-19 pandemic, as an example, there are many things we couldn't control, companies couldn't control, but there are things they were able to control. And even companies started innovating new products, and they come up with new design, new things, solving the problem. They focused on what they can control. Being proactive is focus on what you can control and ensure your life works out the way you want. Okay, so it's all about like what you can control, and rest you outsource it and get it done. So let us go to the other section, which is prioritizing and making things happen. So being proactive means taking timely, effective actions. Technically, you cannot do everything. You have to outsource, but you delegate and take ownership of your performance. Stand behind your decisions. Okay, so this is how you will prioritize. Proactive people, like let's go. Who are proactive people? So proactive people are, they always think in a big picture. Okay, they think for the future, focus on the future. Proactive people plan for the future. There is a reason that the rear view mirror is similar than we white shed. It is more important to know what lies ahead. It's like you have a car's mirror in front of you. You can see what is behind, or you can see through. Now we have cameras in self-driving cars. They can detect in the front, ahead. They can automate, they use computer vision and all. So similarly, they are saying that you can see the future, and then you adjust accordingly. While in order to make the best decision, you have to like, you must know where you came from, where you are, where you want to end up, where are you going. Okay, it is easy to lose focus, but to maintain. And when you do meditation, you have a goal card, you do affirmations, you write goals, and you practice it, and you take actions. You are focused on it, so you already are on the track. You plan, you do take 30 minutes every day, planning your day, week, month, year, and make things happen. So these are the habits of proactive people.